In this lecture, we are going to be looking at the term data subject. We will start with its definition or somewhat definition, and then look at recital 14 for a little bit more context. The reason I said somewhat definition is because data subject doesn't actually have a standalone definition of its own. Instead, it is included in the definition of personal data, which we have already looked at. And that is an identified or identifiable natural person. Recital 14 provides a bit more context. The definition of data subject applies regardless of nationality or place of residence. Another important consideration is that a legal person is not a data subject. So an organization cannot be a data subject. Finally, as we've also already seen, the GDPR does not apply to deceased persons. However, member states may apply that if they so desire to. In this lecture, we looked at the definition of data subject. Again, that's an identified or identifiable natural person. Recital 14 provides us with a little bit more context. The concept of data subject applies regardless of nationality or place of residence. That's an important thing to remember for your scenario-based questions. Remember that a legal person cannot be a data subject, and the GDPR itself does not apply to deceased persons. However, member states can implement that if they want to.